Temple bells ring not merely to announce worship, but to weave sound into memory, marking hours of devotion and guiding minds toward stillness. In ancient temples, the bell's vibration was believed to awaken inner awareness, aligning breath and focus with cosmic rhythms. Across centuries, communities adopted bells as guardians of space, dispersing negative energy and inviting auspicious energy with every toll. Today, the bell remains a symbol of welcome and discipline, inviting both beginners and enthusiasts to engage in mindful practice and shared reverence. The story of these bells is a living thread that ties past rituals to contemporary ritual science,